Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful Freelander, only done 75,000 miles, cam belt replaced at 58,000 miles, £9,995. It is a HSE, it is automatic, it does have 13 services. No wonder it drives lovely, beautifully like a new car, and it's in nice condition as well. So we can see it's got front fogs, front park sensors, headlamp washers, lovely alloy wheels, black leather, new disc and pads on the back, rear park sensors, spoiler up there, it's got the load cover, dog guard, twin panoramic sunroofs, black leather, in a beautiful condition, electric seats, DAB radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, Alpine hi-fi, everything you could wish for. Lovely wheels and tyres, not covered in stone chips. Very nice. To show you in the back, equally nice in the back. Got the Land Rover fitted carpet mats throughout. Luggage guard in there, or could be used as a dog guard. Very nice. Load covers in there, super clean in the boot. Very nice this side as well. Yeah, original and lovely. New disc and pads on the back. As I say, folding mirrors, electric memory driver's seat, leather in good condition, automatic lights, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, 75,022 miles from new, 13 services, cam belt and water pump replaced, DAB radio, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, heated seats, electric seats. This won't be around for very long, will it? £9,995. Remember, 13 services. Ridiculous. And that's serviced at 72,700. MOT till the 1st of the 10th, 2026, so a year's MOT. Right, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.